Welcome back to MindHack AI. Today, I am showing you 6 incredible AI-powered Chrome extensions you absolutely have to try in 2025. I promise, these tools are going to make your life so much easier, faster, and smarter. And the best part, they're all completely free to get started with. Let's not waste any time and jump right into it. First up, we have Monica AI. Think of Monica as your all-in-one writing and productivity assistant, living right inside your browser. This tool is a powerhouse. You can use it to summarize any web page or even a YouTube video in seconds, which is a massive time saver. Let's say you have a long article you need to understand quickly for a project. Just click, and Monica gives you the key points. But it doesn't stop there. It's also fantastic for writing. You can use it to rewrite your emails to sound more professional, translate text into different languages on the fly, and even get instant AI-powered answers to your questions without ever leaving the page you're on. You can ask it to explain complex concepts, brainstorm ideas, or even help you code. For students who are drowning in research or office workers who handle tons of information daily, Monica can literally save you hours of work every single week. It's like having a personal assistant ready to help you with any digital task. The free plan is incredibly generous, making it a no-brainer to try. Next on our list is Compose AI, at number 2. If you're someone who spends a significant part of your day writing and replying to emails, this one's for you. Compose AI is an auto-completing and text generation tool that will fundamentally change how you write. Its main feature is the ability to write emails, replies, and messages almost automatically. All you have to do is type a /u and give it a short prompt, like write a polite follow-up email about our meeting, and it will generate the entire message for you. It learns your writing style over time, so the suggestions become more and more personalized. This is perfect for anyone in sales, customer support, or management who sends dozens of similar emails every day. It handles the repetitive parts of writing, so you can focus on the important stuff. Moving on to extension number 3, we have Glasp. Now, this is a must-have tool for students, researchers, lifelong learners, or anyone who consumes a lot of content online for studying. If you read a lot of articles or watch educational YouTube videos, Glasp will become your best friend. It allows you to highlight text directly from any web page or even from YouTube video transcripts, but here's where the magic happens. After you've highlighted the important parts, Glasp uses AI to generate organized notes and summaries for you instantly. All your highlights from across the web are saved in one central place, making it super easy to review what you've learned. You can even connect with other learners and see what they're highlighting. It's like creating a personal digital library of aha moments. At number 4, we have Perplexity. If you've ever wished that ChatGPT and Google could have a baby, well, Perplexity is basically it. It's a conversational search engine that gives you fast, accurate answers complete with links to the sources. Unlike a traditional search engine that just gives you a list of websites, Perplexity reads them for you and synthesizes the information into a clear, concise answer. It's fantastic for research, homework assignments, or just satisfying your curiosity. You can ask follow-up questions to dive deeper into a topic, and it will remember the context of your conversation. This is amazing for complex research where you need to verify your information. It takes the pain out of sifting through countless search results and gives you the answers you need, backed by credible sources. Coming in at number 5 is Fireflies AI. This one is an absolute game changer for anyone who attends virtual meetings. Fireflies AI is an AI note-taker that joins your meetings on platforms like Zoom, Google Meet, and Microsoft Teams and automatically transcribes the entire conversation for you. You don't have to worry about taking notes anymore. You can just focus on the discussion. After the meeting, Fireflies sends you a full, searchable transcript, and it even identifies who said what, but it gets even better. It can automatically summarize the key action items, decisions, and questions discussed during the call. This is perfect for team meetings, client calls, online classes, and interviews. It ensures that nothing gets missed and everyone is on the same page. It's like having a dedicated secretary for every single meeting. Last but not least, at number 6, we have Merlin AI. Merlin brings the power of GPT-style AI to every corner of your Chrome browser. It's designed to be instantly accessible wherever you are on the web. Whether you're watching a YouTube video, scrolling through Twitter, writing an email in Gmail, or working on a Google Doc, Merlin is just a keyboard shortcut away. You can simply highlight any text on your screen, press a button, and ask Merlin a question about it. For example, you can highlight a confusing paragraph in an article and ask Merlin to explain it in simple terms. You can get instant summaries of YouTube videos without leaving the page or get help crafting the perfect reply to a comment. It's an incredibly versatile tool that integrates AI seamlessly into your existing workflow, making you more productive everywhere you go online. So there you have it, 6 incredible AI Chrome extensions that are guaranteed to save you hours of work every single week and boost your productivity. All of them are powerful, easy to use, and have free versions you can start with today. Now, I want to hear from you. Tell me in the comments down below, which one of these extensions are you most excited to try? And which one do you want me to make a full, in-depth tutorial about next? Your feedback really helps shape the content on this channel. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to MindHack AI, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on more AI tools and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.